Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to copy Instagram link, and now let's dive right in. Now to copy the Instagram link, first open up your Instagram app, and on this interface guys, at the bottom right corner of the screen you can see your profile icon. At the bottom right corner of the screen, tap on your profile icon, and on this interface guys you can see the share profile icon available for us. Just beside the edit profile, tap on share profile, and over here you can see the copy link button available for us. Tap on that copy link button, and that link will be copied on your clipboard and you can paste it wherever you like. So to do that, let's try it out on the messenger on Instagram. So let's open up a message of our friends, and you can see guys, you can paste it. This is our Instagram link, and guys, this is how to copy Instagram link. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.